Good morning, and welcome to this week's virtual instruction. I am Jeffad Louis C. Suarez, your math teacher this week. Our lesson for this week is addition and subtraction of polynomials. We know that addition and subtraction are one of the fundamental operations in mathematics. These are the things that we need to know for this week's lesson. Literal coefficients is the part which consists one or more symbols or letters in the expression. Examples are x to the second power, xy, abc, p raised to the second power, r. We will also remember similar or like terms, which are terms having the same literal coefficients. Examples are x to the second power and 4x to the second power. They are similar because they have the same literal coefficients, which is x to the second power. We also have an example, which is 3x to the second power y and 4x to the second power y. They are similar also because they have the same literal coefficients, which is x to the second power y. Unlike terms are terms having different literal coefficients. Examples of these are xy and 3x to the second power, y to the second power. They are not the same because their literal coefficients are not the same. Same is true with 3x and 3x to the third power. There are two methods we can use in addition and subtraction of polynomials. Whichever of the two methods you use will give you the same answer. These methods are horizontal and vertical method. Horizontal method is the method of adding and subtracting similar terms by grouping them according to the terms horizontally. While vertical method is the method of aligning similar terms in column, then perform addition or subtraction as we normally do. Let's have an example of the two methods. First one, horizontal method. Given here is an expression 3xy plus x to the second power plus 4 plus 4x to the second power minus xy plus 5. The first thing we need to do is we rewrite the expression joining like terms. We join x to the second power plus 4x to the second power plus 3xy minus xy plus 4 plus 5. Then we add like terms. Then we get the answer 5x to the second power plus 2xy plus 9. Another example of horizontal method if the operation is subtraction. Given 2ab plus 6a to the second power plus 4 minus 3a to the second power minus ab plus 2. So the first thing we need to do is to change the subtraction sign to addition and take the opposite of each sign inside the second set of parentheses. So the negative sign is changed to positive and vice versa. Then we combine like terms together. So we have 6a to the second power minus 3a to the second power plus 2ab plus ab plus 4 minus 2. Then we add like terms and we get the answer 3a to the second power plus 3ab plus 2. Next, the vertical method. Given here is open close parenthesis 3xy plus x to the second power plus 4 plus open close parenthesis 4x to the second power minus xy plus 5. So the first thing we need to do is we rewrite the problem with like terms in column. So x to the second power aligned to 4x to the second power. Same is true with 3xy and negative xy and 4 and 5. Then we add the like terms. So x to the second power plus 4x to the second power, we have 5x to the second power, 3xy plus negative xy, we have positive 2xy. 4 plus 5, we have 9. So the answer to this expression is 5x to the second power plus 2xy plus 9. Another example of vertical method given that expression is subtraction. Given, open close parenthesis, 2ab plus 6a to the second power plus 4 minus 3a to the second power minus ab plus 2. So the first thing we need to do is we rewrite the problem with like terms in column. So 6a to the second power plus 2ab plus 4 minus open close parenthesis 3a to the second power minus ab plus 2. Then, we change all the signs in the second row to its opposite sign. So if it is positive, we are going to turn it to negative, or negative to positive, as shown. Then, we add the like terms. So 6a to the second power minus 3a to the second power, we have 3a to the second power. Then 2ab plus ab, we have 3ab. 4 minus 2, we have positive 2. So the answer to the expression is 3a to the second power plus 3ab plus 2. Okay, off to our first activity. I will guide you on how to answer this activity. Activity number 1, try this. So the direction there is we simply simplify each expression. Our first example, simplify the expression, open close parenthesis, 5x to the second power plus 1 minus, open close parenthesis, 3x to the second power minus 3y to the second power. In this example, I will use the horizontal method. The first thing I need to do is to reverse the sign of the second set. The expression will become open close parenthesis 5x to the second power plus 1 plus open close parenthesis negative 3x to the second power plus 3y raised to the second power. Then, I will simplify the signs where positive multiplied by negative becomes negative and positive multiplied by positive is positive. So the expression will become 5x to the second power plus 1 minus 3x to the second power plus 3y raised to the second power. Then I will combine like terms together. So I'll combine 5x to the second power and negative 3x to the second power plus 3y to the second power plus 1. Then I will perform operation. So 5x to the second power minus 3x to the second power, we have 2x to the second power plus 3y to the second power is only 1, so we'll just copy, and the constant 1 we also copy. So the final answer is 2x to the second power plus 3y to the second power plus 1. Another example, simplify the expression, open close parenthesis, x to the third power plus x to the second power plus open close parenthesis 3x to the second power plus 3x raised to the third power. In this example, I will use the vertical method. First, I will arrange the polynomials in its standard form. We have x to the third power plus x to the second power plus 3x to the third power plus 3x to the second power. Then I'll combine like terms together in column. Then I'll add the like terms together. So x to the third power plus 3x to the third power equals 4x to the third power. And x to the second power plus 3x to the second power, we have 4x to the second power. So the answer to this expression is 4x to the third power plus 4x to the second power. Activity number 2. Work it out. So we need to decode the message given in your answer sheet by simply simplifying the expressions given. These examples will be of help for you to answer activity number 2. Example number 1, simplify open close parenthesis 2x to the second power plus 5x minus open close parenthesis 4x to the second power plus 12x. The method that I will be using here is horizontal method. First step, reverse the signs on the second set. So the expression will become open close parenthesis 2x to the second power plus 5x. Negative becomes positive, open close parenthesis, negative 4x to the second power minus 12x. Then, I simplify the signs. So the expression will become 2x to the second power plus 5x. Negative multiplied by positive is negative, so minus 4x to the second power and minus 12x. Then I'll combine like terms together. I'll combine 2x to the second power minus 4x to the second power plus 5x minus 12x. Then add the like terms. So the expression answer will become negative 2x to the second power minus 7x. Next example, we have simplify open close parenthesis negative 5y raised to the third power plus 4y raised to the second power minus 3y minus open close parenthesis 6y raised to the third power minus 3y raised to the second power minus 10y. The method that I will be using in this example is vertical method. So I will combine like terms together in column and reverse the sign of each term in the second row. So the expression will become negative 5y raised to the third power plus 4y raised to the second power minus 3y plus open close parenthesis, the signs will be reversed, so negative 6y raised to the third power plus 3y raised to the second power plus 10y. Then I will simplify the signs, so the expression will become negative 5y raised to the third power plus 4y raised to the second power minus 3y plus negative 6y raised to the third power plus 3y raised to the second power plus 10y. Then I will add like terms together. So negative 5y raised to the third power plus negative 6y raised to the third power is negative 11y raised to the third power. 4y raised to the second power plus 3y raised to the second power is 7y raised to the second power. And lastly, negative 3y plus positive 10y is 7y. So the answer to this expression is negative 11y raised to the third power plus 7y raised to the second power plus 7y. Activity number 3. Problem solving. The direction written in your activity sheet is to solve the following problems. There are keywords you need to remember in solving worded problems. In addition, these are the following. In subtraction, these are the following. Here is an example of a worded problem. Example number 1. From the difference of 4a plus 3b minus 5c and b minus 2c, add a plus b minus c. The method I'll be using in this example is vertical method. The first thing I need to do is to read carefully the problem. As you can see from the problem, it says there that the difference of 4a plus 3b minus 5c and b minus 2c will be added to a plus b minus c. Then I will combine like terms and reverse the sign of each term in the second row. So, positive b will become negative and negative 2c will become positive. So, the expression will be 4a plus 3b minus 5c minus b plus 2c. Then, I'll add down like terms. Okay, so 4a, there is nothing that we can add it, so we just rewrite it down. Then 3b minus b is 2b and negative 5c plus 2c is equal to negative 3c. So that is the difference of the first term. Then we write down the expression to be added to the difference. So that is a plus b minus c. Okay, so then I'll add down like terms. So 4a plus a is equal to 5a. 2b plus b is equal to 3b. And negative 3c plus minus c is negative 4c. So the answer to this problem is 5a plus 3b minus 4c. Thank you for watching. If you have some questions, queries, and concern regarding our lesson, please do not hesitate to ask your math teacher. Stay tuned for our next virtual instruction.